Most people panic when Walmart Pay stops working at checkout, but the issue is usually something small that can be fixed in seconds. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart Pay rarely breaks because of the system itself. It usually fails because of setup issues, connection problems, or simple app glitches. In this video, you'll learn how to fix Walmart Pay not working in 2026 step by step, so you can get back to fast checkout without stress. Let's start with the most common issue. First, check your Walmart app. If it is outdated, Walmart Pay may not load or scan properly. Go to your app store and update it immediately. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users skip this, but outdated apps are one of the top reasons payment features fail after updates. Next, check your internet connection. Walmart Pay needs a stable connection to process the QR scan and confirm payment. If you are in a weak signal area inside the store, switch to mobile data or move slightly closer to stronger reception. But here's the problem most people don't realize. Even if your internet looks fine, background network switching between Wi-Fi and data can interrupt the payment flow. Turning Wi-Fi off completely inside the store often fixes the issue instantly. Now let's talk about login problems. If Walmart Pay is stuck loading or not responding, log out of your Walmart account and log back in. This refreshes your session and fixes most hidden authentication errors. Next, check your payment method inside the app. Imagine someone like Alex at checkout. He opens Walmart Pay, scans the code, but nothing happens. The issue is often an expired card or incorrect billing information stored in the app. Go into payment settings and confirm your card details are valid, updated, and not blocked by your bank. If needed, remove the card and re-add it. Now here's another important fix most people miss. Clear the app cache. On Android or iPhone, cache data can cause scanning delays or freeze the payment screen. Clearing cache refreshes the app without deleting your account. If none of that works, restart your phone. It sounds simple, but it resets background processes that may interfere with the payment scanner. Let's walk through a quick real-world example. Jake is at Walmart checkout. He tries Walmart Pay, but the QR scanner won't activate. He updates the app, turns off Wi-Fi, restarts the phone, and logs back in. Suddenly, it works instantly. The issue was just a small combination of connection and session errors. Now here's the final thing to remember. Walmart Pay only works when the cashier generates the QR code on the screen. If that step is skipped or the register is not ready, the app will not scan anything. So let's simplify everything. Update the app. Check internet. Fix login. Verify payment method. Clear cache. Restart if needed. The biggest mistake people make is assuming Walmart Pay is broken when it is actually just one small setting causing the issue. Once fixed, it becomes one of the fastest and most reliable checkout methods in 2026. If this helped you fix Walmart Pay, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and step-by-step guides like this.